So today we are actually continuing our face mask series. I'm not sure what episode we're on. We will be using this Aztec secret Indian healing clay. Alright, so we're going to get straight into the video. Alright, so I usually use my clay mask when it's a little thicker than this, more like a paste. So I've washed off the clay mask. I already noticed my skin is a lot softer. But besides that, we will see our results as the week progresses. So it looks like that bump that I had has already went down. This is actually the consistency I usually use when doing these different clay masks. I was so close to the second camera. And I have the random hat in my head in the house because my hair looks crazy. It's dried out and I think so. We've applied our clay mask. Now we're going to let this sit on our face for roughly 30 minutes or until the clay mask completely dries. Then I'm going to come back, rinse this off, and that will be the end of day 2. So this is day 3 of the week. We have one more day after tomorrow where we will apply this, and that's where you'll see my final results. What's going on, YouTube? It's Yaya, and I am back with my final day of our Aztec clay mask experiment regimen, whatever. To start using the Aztec healing clay, I'm going to start with the cons because it's very few of them. The only con I have, or that I would say I experience using this clay, is just a dryness of skin. It'll dry out your skin if you use it too often. Now, if you have oily skin, that could be beneficial for you because it'll help balance out that oil on your skin. And that's the only con I have for this Aztec clay. Now we're going to get into the pros that I experienced using this clay. Now, using the Aztec Secret Healing Indian Clay, I experienced, softness of skin. After the first use, my skin was already I already felt the difference of how soft my skin was, and it's still soft. So you really only have to use it once a week. You don't have to use it multiple times to get that pro out of this clay. Another pro I experienced using this is after the first use, my active acne had already begun to go down. This kind of supports my idea that you really don't need to use it multiple times out of the week. This video kind of just supports what's already out there. It's not harsh on your skin at all, so I would say it's a good investment to include in your acne regimen. All right, so you see my results for yourself. I'm just going to take this time to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy videos like this, leave a comment down below and let me know. If you prefer other videos, just recommend it in the comments as well. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe. With that being said, peace.